how to use promo codes on KKday. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can apply promo codes on KKday and save money on hotels, flights, and other stuff. So let's get into it. So before we begin, there is a link in the description below for the website and along with some promo codes that you can apply for yourself when booking. So make sure you check that out as well. And here you can see I'm on the website, and we can even go ahead and create an account by just simply clicking on the button and continuing with one of the socials that's available. And once you're, created your account, you can come down here and get your traveling. So here you can see you can go ahead and search for some of the most popular places that are available. You got Shibuya Sky, Universal Studio Japan, Singapore, Bangkok, Gangwon, Bali, Osaka, Tokyo, Hokkaido. You can go with any of these places, right? These are all pretty cool and really popular destinations. And here, let's go with the Japan Rail Pass. This is like a whole pass that you get on a train. You get to go ahead and take a tour around all of the main sites in Japan. You get private charters, Europe train, eSIM as well, all those options. And let's go ahead and select Osaka right now. And in Osaka, you can see we have some top activities over here, and you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. And let's go with Temposa. Let's go with the Ferris wheel. All right. And you can see the tickets over here, how much they cost. And here you have the package option right here. And again, make sure you check the link in the description below for some discounts that you can apply over here. There's also giving you some other discount as well, but you can go ahead and purchase some more. And then down below, you can go ahead and select the dates you want. Let's go with 15th and click on add to cart or book now. And then here you can just simply go ahead and log in. And then here you have your cart, and then you can log in and just go ahead and, purchase it and add the discount code to get the discount. And there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can apply promo codes and coupon codes. And here you can see we have all the main options in down below, and that's how you do it. That's how you can apply a promo code. And here, if you scroll down, here is the promo code. After you've logged in, it'll take you to the checkout page, and here you have the option to go ahead and apply the promo code, which you can find in the description below. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.